Welcome back! Today we're going to change the display in the Yamaha REV7. It is a plug-and-play unit I bought from Luxdisplays. To get inside you need to remove 8 screws. 2 screws in the top, 2 on either side and 2 in the back. Slide the cover all the way back and remove it. Now we need to remove the front panel. There are 3 screws on the top and 6 screws on the bottom. To make flipping the unit around easier, start with the bottom ones first. The 2 last screws are in the corners of the front of the module. They are hard to reach, but with a long stemmed screwdriver you should be successful. The front panel should now be easily removed. The original display is secured with 3 screws. And now it's time to take out the new display. Make a note of the orientation. The connectors should be at the bottom of the print board. The old display had 2 connectors you need to remove, 1 data and 1 power cable. The connectors may be hard to pull out by hand, but try to use a tool to gently pull them up. For most new displays today you won't need the power cable. The power will usually be fed through the data connector itself. Remove the cable gently through the slot of the chassis. It may take a few tries, but you'll get it out eventually. I found the easiest way to get the new cable inside is to make a cable loop and then pull the connector through the loop afterwards. These types of connectors should only fit one way, but make sure that the notches are facing towards you. Once the cable is in place, you can now take the standoff washer and the screw and attach it to the display. Before going any further, you may want to try the display at this point. Would you look at that? Sharp and crispy. Next up is reattaching the front plate, and this can be a bit tricky. I have no special tricks other than just try to nudge it and wiggle it back and forth. Make sure that you get all the buttons in place. The 2 screws in the corner could be the most challenging ones. You may have to remove the bottom plate to get access to it first. Voila! Your REV7 is ready for duty once more. And as always, thanks for watching.